Hello students, today we will start with exercise 5.3 question number 3. So in this question we have to write down in expressions removing the absolute sign. So the first question you see, mod of x is less than pi. So this from the properties itself we can write that x is greater than minus pi and less than pi. Okay, so now let us move on to number 2. X minus 3 is less than 2. Mod of x minus 3 is less than 2. This also from the properties we can write that minus 2 is less than x minus 3. That means x minus 3 is greater than minus 2 and less than 2. If and only if. This sign means if and only if. Now see, we need the value of x, not x minus 3. So we can write like this, that 3 minus 2 is less than x is less than 3 plus 2. So 3 minus 2 means 1 is less than x is less than 5. Okay. Now the next sum, that is your number 3, mod of x is greater than thrice a. So this one also we can write that mod of x is greater than thrice a or x is less than minus thrice a from the properties itself. Number 4, mod of 5x plus 1 is less than 7. So if and only if minus 7 is less than 5x plus 1 is less than 7. So here also we need x, not 5x plus 1. So minus 7 minus 1 is less than 5x is less than 7 minus 1. So here we get minus 8 and here we get 6. So again we need the value of x, not 5x. So we divide both sides with 5. So minus 8 by 5 and 6 by 5. So x lies between 8 by 5 and 6 by 5. Minus 8 by 5 and 6 by 5. Okay. Now see in question number 5. 0 less than mod of x minus half, which is less than half. Okay. So first let us consider this case that 0 is less than mod of x minus half or it is greater than x minus half. So if it is less than x minus half, then we will get that half is less than x. That means what? X is greater than half. Right? And if we consider the case that 0 is greater than x minus half, in that case we will get that half is greater than x. That means what? X is less than half. The second part was x minus half is less than half. Okay. In that case, again we can write here minus half is less than x minus half is less than half. So again see, we need x, not x minus half. So from this calculation we get that x is greater than 0 but it is less than 1. So from the previous one and from this expression we can say that x is greater than half. Then we also got x is less than half. And in this case we get that x is greater than 0 and less than 1. Okay. Next see question number 6. Y minus L mod of y minus L is less than epsilon by 2. So from the property we can write that L minus epsilon by 2 is less than y is less than L plus epsilon by 2. Okay. Next number 7. Mod of thrice x minus 1 is greater than 4. Again from the properties we get two cases, that is thrice x minus 1 greater than 4 and it is less than minus 4. In both the cases you see, thrice x will be greater than 5 in the first case. So x will be greater than 5 by 3. Next one, thrice x will be less than minus 3. So x will be less than minus 1. So value of x will be x is less than minus 1 or x is greater than 5 by 3. Okay. Now see question number 8. Mod of x minus 2 into x plus 2. Mod of x plus 2 is less than equal to half. So this we can write as x square minus 4 is less than equal to half. So now we can write like this, minus half plus 4 is less than equal to x square, which is equal less than equal to 1 by half or 2 plus 4. Why? Because we need x squared, x. So we have to remove the minus 4 from here. So by calculating we get 7 by 2 less than x squared is less than equal to 9 by 2. Now we have to remove the square from x. So now square root. So root 7 by 2 is less than equal to x is less than equal to root 9 by 2. And root 9 means what? 3. So root over 7 by 2 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 3 by root 2. Okay. Now see question number 9. Mod of x greater than 3 and less than equal to 5.5. So here also there will be two cases. So x, mod of x is greater than 3. It can be either greater than 3 or less than minus 3. And in case of mod of x is less than equal to 5.5, there also it will be greater than or equal to minus 5.5 and less than or equal to 5.5. Now see the last sum of this question number 3. 1 by 2 minus x, mod of 2 minus x is less than 1 by 3, where x is not equal to 2. Right? So that means what? 2 minus x will be greater than 3 now. So in this case also we will consider that 2 minus x is greater than 3 or it is less than minus 3. So now after calculation, what we will get here, minus 1 is greater than x or 5 is less than x. Minus 1 greater than x means x is less than minus 1, or 5 is less than x means x is greater than 5. So here we get x is less than minus 1 or x is less than greater than 5. Okay. Now let us move on to question number 4. In this question we have to express it in absolute sign. Okay. So now you see, we will compare this minus 4 less than x is less than 3 with the expression a minus b is less than x is less than a plus b. This one, a minus b is less than x is less than a plus b. So if we compare this, then we get what? A minus b is equal to minus 4 we can write. Similarly, in place of a plus b we can write 3. A plus b is equal to 3. So I will keep this one as equation 1 and 2. Now if I add these two equations, I will get the value of a as minus half. I keep this one as equation number 3. Again, if I subtract the two equations, I get the value of b as 7 by 2. I keep this as equation number 4. Okay. Now you see this expression minus 4 is less than x is less than 3 can be written in this way, that x minus a mod of x minus a is less than b. Now in place of a and b, from equation 3 and 4 we can put here that a is equal to minus half and b is equal to 7 by 2. So after calculation we get here twice x plus 1 divided by 2. Mod of twice x plus 1 divided by 2 is less than 7 by 2. So it gives us twice x plus 1 is less than 7. Okay. Next, number 2, 3 less than x is less than 17. Again the same way we compare it with a minus b and a plus b. So we get a minus b as 3 and a plus b as 17. We keep this one as equation 1 and 2, and after solving these two equations we get the values of a as 10, which I keep as number 3, and b as 7, which we keep it as number 4. Therefore the expression 3 less than x is less than 17 can be written as x minus mod of x minus a is less than b. Now in place of a and b, put down the values of that is 10 and 7 from equation 3 and 4, and thus we get this expression, that is x minus 10 mod of x minus 10 is less than 7. Now see question number 3. Minus in bracket root 2 minus 1 is less than x is less than root 2 plus 1. So again compare it with a minus b and a plus b. So we get a minus b as minus in bracket root 2 minus 1. Give this one equation 1. Again a plus b is equal to root 2 plus 1. Give this one as equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, if I add 1 and 2, then I get the value of a as 1. Keep this one number 3. And if I subtract these two equations, I get the value of b as root 2. Keep this one as equation number 4. Therefore this expression can now be written as mod x minus a is less than b. Place the value of a and b as 1 and root 2 from equations 3 and 4. Thus we get the expression in the absolute sign. Okay. Now see the last sum. 1.99 is less than x is less than 2.01. So again compare, you will get a minus b as 1.99 and a plus b as 2.01. So solving this we get a as 2 and b as 0.01. So again you see this expression can be written as x minus a mod of x minus a is less than b. Place the value of a and b that you got from equation 3 and 4, and thus you get the required value. Okay. So with this we come to the end of question number 4. The rest of the sums will be discussed in our next videos. Okay. Thank you.